Mahilig ka ba sa online shopping? Do you think online shopping is safe? Na-scam ka na ba? Meron akong i-share sa inyo based on personal experience about scam sa Shopee and sa Lazada. Want to know more? Tapusin niyo yung video nito. I'm sure marami kayo matutunan sa mga kalokohan sa mga online sellers. So hi guys, I'm from the Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. And of course, today I'm going to share to you yung online selling. Safe nga ba siya? Or hindi siya safe? Now, of course, based on a personal experience, I'm an online shopper since itong pandemic. Almost everything binibili ko sa Shopee, sa Lazada, of course. Depende naman kung sino may availability, ang sino mas mura. Sabi ni Shopee, mas mura sa Shopee. Sabi ni Lazada, mas mura sa Lazada. So, depende. I'm just checking kung saan ako mas lamang, so doon tayo bibili. So, hindi naman ako sobrang loyal sa Shopee, hindi rin naman tayo sobrang loyal sa Lazada. Okay? So, just to be clear, this video is not sponsored. So, recently, nakatanggap ako ng isang package coming from Lazada. And chinek ko naman ang aking shopping cart. Sabi ko, parang wala namang in-order. So anyways, tinanggap ko naman. Binuksan ko, and it came from a seller called Happy Dito. Okay. So, and ang nipis, halos walang laman. So, pagbukas ko ng pouch na ito, all it contains is a ballpen na walang ka-value. Simpleng ganun lang. Tapos, ang lagkit pa niya, puro, hindi ko alam, sabi ko, niloloko ba ako nito? Tinan mo, wala pang 2 piso siguro ang puhunan nito. Sabi ko nga, ano meron dito? And parang mas mahal pa ang shipping ni CMEX Delivery Express. So, ito, kita natin. No? So, being shipped by CMEX Delivery Express. So, I was wondering kung ano meron dito sa ballpen na ito? Is it an advertisement na kailangan bumili kay Happy dito? And the first thing that comes straight to my mind is to check kung meron nga ba order na ganito. And there's an order number naman dito na nakaprint dito sa barcode na ito. So makikita mo naman dito. And tinry ko naman, binrouse through ko doon naman sa aking mga order history. Wala naman ganung orders. And wala rin naman ako pending na dapat matanggap kay Lazada. So nagtaka na ako. So of course, first one, in-ignore ko. Then came another one. Another package. Same na same. Halos walang laman. So dalawa na yung package ko. And it also came from Happy Dito. Kita na, galing kay Happy Dito. And it also has the same na order number, but on a different shipper. So, ang nagpadala this time around is J&T Express. So, same order number, same seller, different na shipper. So, sabi ko, hindi kaya ballpen din ang laman nito. So apparently I was right. And it's another ballpen. Tada! And same din, malagkit na ballpen. I'm not sure kung... So I was really intrigued kung anong meron dito sa dalawang ballpen na to. And it prompted me to message directly yung seller, si Happy dito. And let me quote doon sa message ko sa kanila. And ito sinabi ko sa kanya, may natanggap ako isang ballpen na galing sa inyo. Wala naman ng order. Para saan tong ballpen na ito? And sabi ni Happy dito, "Hi po, we did not receive your order." So sabi ko, wala naman talaga ako order. So, ba't ako meron ako natanggap sa inyo? Can you send a picture? So, sinend ko sa inyo yung picture. And of course, kindly ignore this po. Just together with the reissue, never mind. And of course, ako, I didn't stop there. Kasi the first thing coming into my mind, never ako nagkaroon ng transaction with this company, with this store. But they have my address, which is definitely very alarming. Under the Buyer's Protection and Data Privacy Act, hindi dapat pwede ipamigay ni Lazada ang aking mga address and contact details sa mga sellers. It's just like selling my information to anyone. I mean, di ba? Parang, do you feel safe? Ako, honestly, the first thing that comes to my mind na nakareceive ng ganito na never ako nag-purchase kanila is ang aking privacy. How the heck did they know my address? Doon ako nagtaka. And of course, that prompted me to call the hotline ng Lazada. I gave them this order number. Paano ako nagkaroon ng order? Wala namang in-order. And it came twice with the same order number. And they told me na there is a ongoing na mga scam. I'm not sure kung sino gumagawa nito, but of course, theoretically, of for me, after thinking it over for 2 days, theoretically, it should be the seller that is doing this scam. Sabi lang sa akin ni Lazada, this is being ordered by a certain person named Crystal, but shinip sa akin with the name, address, and contact number correct. Walang problem. Walang mali. And I was really surprised na meron siyang data ko. So, this person paid for this 2 ball pen kasi nakasulat dito, it's a non-COD. So, meaning, non-COD siya. So, meaning bayad na siya. So, doon ako nagtaka. Sabi ko, why would this person be so nice and send me 2 ball pens na mas mahal pa ang shipping ni JNT Express? Sabi ko, at least 70 pesos ang shipping nito. And this ball pen doesn't even cost 2 pesos. I'll be frank with you. Now, tanongin kita, bakit nila ginawa yon? Ba't sila good Samaritan nagbigay ng 2 ball pen sa akin? And I don't think that it's the case. 1, 2, it's free. The third one, sabi ng Lazada, most likely, it's a COD. So, itche-tempo niya, magpapadala ulit siya ng gamit sa'yo. Probably this time, it's a little bit bigger. So, most likely, alam nila, kasama ko sa bahay, tatanggap ng item. And they might pay for it. They're just banking on the chance na baka bayaran niya without asking me na, uy, meron ka bang order nito? Tawag sa akin, asawa ko, may order ka ba nito? Hindi na siya tatawag. Tiwala na lang, babayaran na lang niya. They're just banking on that. So meaning they'll send you some trash na hindi mo in-order and getting your money. And anong advantage dito sa buyer na si Crystal having to book it for me or something like that? Wala siyang pakinabang. Ang pakinabang, yung seller, si Happy dito, they get to dispose more of their items at the expense of me, na hindi ko alam. So nabiktima ako ng scam netong company ito. Of course, everything is based on my theory. Kasi itong nag-book para sa akin, wala naman siyang pakinabang kasi yung pera. Pag binayad ko COD, kay Happy dito mapupunta. Hindi mapupunta dito sa nag-book sa akin na nagmamagaling. So, in essence, theoretically, this company, Happy dito, has my details. And the question is, paano na nakuha ang aking mga detail na never kami nagkaroon ng ever single transaction? Could it be na the Lazada and Shopee is selling our details? This must be very alarming. So guys, you better protect yourself. And kung meron kayong mga ganun na naranasan, I think you better complain it sa Lazada or sa Shopee. And after talking to my wife about this incident, siya rin na-scam. And siya, hindi niya akalain kasi she always buy things sa Shopee ng COD. Not knowing na meron naman siyang ine-expect na something na not this item. And it came from JNT and of course, ang seller is NHMAH. Not sure kung saan tong na to, but it was shipped from Binondo. And inside, it's a wallet na hindi naman niya in-order. So, chinek naman din niya ang kanyang mga orders and the order number that is being printed here. May order number naman siya dito. Okay? Na printed dito is not existent sa kanyang mga order history. And nag-send sila ng wallet. And she paid 379 pesos for something na hindi naman in-order. If ever naman mag-order siya ng wallet is for herself. Not something like this. Hala, na-scam si Mrs. Sidekick. Oh my God. I mean, hindi niya ina-expect na makakatanggap siya ng something na hindi niya in-order at binayaran pa niya out of her sa sobrang ingat na niya. I mean, di ba? I mean, sabi ko, kahit ako, hindi ko gagamitin tong wallet na to. Parang napaka-cheap looking. And if ever bibili man ako, I think something na mas may class konti. So, definitely, these are non-sellable items na pinupush ng seller to, of course, to trick you into, kasi probably alam niya yung method of payment mo na madalas COD. So most likely, it's another inside job, theoretically. Alam na yung ang order pattern mo na lagi ka nagbabayad ng COD. Si Mrs. laging COD yun. So, siningitan nila ng isa, dalawa, makakalusot yun kasi hindi naman niya alam Ganon sila kagaling mag-isip. So, the way to protect yourself is always check yung order number na nakaprint dito sa barcode, which is itong barcode na ito, i-match mo sa mga orders mo. Meron ka ba kung in-order ng gano'n before you receive it? And kung hindi, i-return mo. Hindi ko in-order to, baka mali ang pinadala ng seller para ma-avoid ang scam. Or two, you can always choose to pay using yung specific wallet niya. I think may Lazada wallet and may Shopee wallet din siya. May Shopee Pay and Lazada wallet. So, para masasabi mo sa mga tao sa bahay, wala akong ino-order na COD, so you don't need to pay for anything. Basta lahat ng dumating sa akin is already fully paid using those two na payment method. So, well, that's just ways to protect yourself. But of course, ang main concern ko dito is how the heck na nila nakuha ang aking address and ang address ni wife ko without even purchasing from them. I think this is very alarming. And guys, if you have similar cases, post it on the comment section below. Let me know para to let more people know that there are these kinds of scams ng mga, I think, mga sellers sa Lazada at sa Shopee na it's not really a joke na kumakalat ang iyong mga information sa ibang sellers dito sa kanilang mga platform. I think they should really take this seriously kasi I don't think this is something to be overlooked ni Shopee and ni Lazada. I hope this video do reach Shopee and Lazada and they do take action against these kinds of scams ng mga sellers or whatever activity this is. This is just to trick you, to extort some money from you and sending you some basura na hindi nila mabenta sa kanilang inventory. And so guys, if you find this video helpful and gusto nyong makatulong sa inyong mga kapamilya, kabarkada, please share this video para may iwasan nila na maloko din sila tulad ko dito sa akin. To think na medyo maingat na ako, yung wife ko maingat din, and na-scam pa kami ng mga sellers na ito, I think it should be a lesson to all of us. This should serve as a lesson to all of us. Don't just trust anyone with your sensitive data like name, address, and of course, contact number. So with that said and done, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click that bell icon para hindi nyo ma-miss mga future uploads ko dito sa aking channel. And so, ako pala si Richman and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Watcha!